Hey, hello. Nothing complicated today, nothing fancy. We just keep things simple. So move at your own pace. Only do what feels good to you, and please take a moment to read the disclaimer. And let's start. Right now, I'm just inhaling my hands up, exhaling them down. You can go higher if you want. So you go at your own range of motion. I'm adding a little knee bend. So inhaling up, exhaling down, or just remember to breathe. So just do your normal breathing, don't hold your breath, that works too. Just adding a little energy in our body. And inhaling up, I'm gonna go to the side so you can see me. And exhaling down at the hips. So just move the hips. Exhaling down, just a little bit. Inhale back up. Now round your back. Exhale, round your back. You're still moving from the hips. Up. So hip, hip and round. Exhale, down, whatever down means to you, right? Ooh. Fix your pants. And a little bounce again. Bring your hands above or under your knees, elbows or in. Flat back. Flat back. You want to put all your cookbooks on top of your back. You don't use cookbook, put your laptop with your recipes on top of your back. Flat back, that would hold all that. Neck is relaxed, looking straight down. And on an exhale, down. And next time you inhale, press into your feet up. Inhale up. Exhale down around your back. Inhale, flat back. Exhale all the way down. And inhale back up. Oh. Let's bring our hands to our shoulders or our hips. So pick here what feels good for you, shoulder or hips. We're going to take one elbow and we're going to just make it heavier than the other one. The other one's already light. Ooh, and back center. Ooh, and back center. Walk into place. So your feet are under your hips. They'll go there by themselves. Big toe in a little bit. And let's try that again. Same side. Nice inhale, exhale, heavy elbow, heavy elbow. The other one is light. And on an inhale, come back up. On an exhale, we'll do the other side. Heavy elbow, not heavy cat, heavy elbow. No cats and cow right now. Oh, that felt good. So feel free to stay a little bit longer. See how that feels. Or just make it into a nice little flowing routine. And now let's do both sides. Gentle. We don't go more. We don't go further. I mean that we can. Nice side to side. Whatever side to side means to you. Oh. Inhale up. And from the hip again, we're just going to turn our hip. Just turn your hip. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Just so you get the feel, so your shoulders are barely moving. The hips are doing all the work. Tuck your belly. Turn them on one side, leave them there. Now, let's bring our heavy elbow and bring it towards the back, this side here, towards the back. And then the head maybe look there. Ooh, huh? Yeah, are you holding your breath? No, we don't do that. Again, shift your hips, shift your hips. Ooh, little like no. And next time it's on the other side, the elbow follows. Ooh, maybe the neck after. The neck has to be where it's comfortable. So if that doesn't work, put it where it feels good. Come out of it a little bit. Oh, well, my arms are getting tired. So I'm gonna put them there. And again, one side, the other. And continuing the movement on the last one. Let's get at the... Now we're fine with here, right? Let's go a little bit further on our mat. We're gonna step back. It's a nice functional movement. I've got a class coming up that is gonna be, it's gonna be 10 classes. It's gonna be about functional movement like that. Oh yes. Picking something off the floor. A nice little lounge. Your hands again go where they want. Not be fancy about it. The only thing here, we don't want the knee to pass the toe. So even if it's a little bit towards you, that's okay. Ideally, you want it lined up. Whoops! You want it lined up above your ankle. And you see the wall, what I just did here? If you have a balance problem, you want to be near a wall, a chair, a couch, something you can grab. I have a lot of video. You have a chair to hold on to also. Now we're going to take that back leg, bring it up front. Nice inhale up. Exhale the other leg back. Now choose where you want your arms to be. Maybe curving the back a little tiny bit. And the back leg, I take my thigh and I push on it. Push, just push the muscle. Push it up. Push your thigh up a little bit. Straighten it up. Be relaxed here. Again, your hands are where it's comfortable. And this time we're gonna bring the front leg back. If you want to do the other way around, it's all good. And now we're gonna do the entire thing. Nice little routine here. Inhale up. Exhale down. Flat back. Exhale down. On an inhale, come back up. Take your time. Exhale the arms down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale flat back. Exhale, pressing your feet. Inhale back up. Exhale. Inhale your arms up and let's go to one side. Open the shoulder and other side. Open the shoulder here. A little sway because it feels good and because it's fun, right? Oh. And or twist. Inhale up, maybe up for you is a different place than me. Maybe it's even higher than me. It's all good. Center, let's lower the arms, or I am anyway. Inhale, exhale, hips first, then shoulder, and then the head. Ooh, ooh. Again. Inhale up, exhale down. Flat back, exhale down. Pushing your feet, inhale up, exhale, and to your chest. And when we're gonna do heavy elbow, so where we're going, the elbow's gonna get heavy. And on an inhale, come back up. Exhale, other side. On an inhale, come back up. And there you just breathe. We're gonna add a little bit more motion to that, so we can't really match our breath when it's this fast, but fast doesn't have to be fast. Faster, a little bit faster than usual. And I like putting my hand on my hip for a twist. Elbow guide, look behind you. Other side. We're gonna step forward, pick one leg, doesn't matter which one, you'll do the other one after. Step forward, a big step if possible. If not, scoot your foot a little forward. Maybe a little kink in the back foot. So this time we're gonna make sure the leg is open. You don't want a collapsing knee here. Leg is open, hips are fairly square forward. And then the arms, again, you put them where you want. If they're up, lower the shoulders. And you do what you want here. Oh, yeah, a little back bend. And why not we exhale forward? Maybe go touch the floor like a little lounge. I'm gonna straighten my back foot to accommodate that. There. Huh? Ooh, nice stretch on the back heel. Oh, bring your heel towards the floor. Feels good. Now, let's bring that foot back. But first, push, push, push. We're coming back. Bring your foot to an angle. And when you're ready, start shifting your weight back and bring your foot back. Other leg. The one you didn't do. Now you've got your wall here. Oh, nice. Maybe take a little angle with the back foot. Tuck in the belly. Tuck in the belly. Everything's lined up nice here. Inhale and exhale forward. Maybe grabbing the floor. Maybe on this side you just want to put your arms on your thigh. We're not going to touch the knee and mess it up. Straightening the leg, the back foot to accommodate the movement. When you're ready, push into your foot, send your weight back. I'm doing a little angle here. Come back, but you can always bring your other foot towards it or scoop down. That's all good. Oh my goodness. If you enjoy little resets like that, I have a full playlist, Stretch and Smile, filled with gentle motion. There's chair yoga, yoga with a chair next to you. You pick what works for your body that day. They are meant to stack, so grab a few, whatever you need, and that's your whole class right there. Thank you for joining me. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga, wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. See you soon.